Welcome to our instructional video on how to reduce the rational expression x squared minus 100 divided by x minus 10 to its lowest terms. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process to simplify this expression. So grab your pen and paper, and let's get started. To reduce the rational expression x squared minus 100 over x minus 10 to its lowest terms, we start by factoring the numerator. The numerator x squared minus 100 is a difference of squares. Therefore, we can rewrite it as x plus 10 times x minus 10. Now the expression is altered from x squared minus 100 over x minus 10 to x plus 10 times x minus 10 over x minus 10. With the expression now altered to x plus 10 times x minus 10 over x minus 10, we notice that the x minus 10 terms in the numerator and the denominator can cancel each other out. This leaves us with the simplified form x plus 10. This is the final step, and the rational expression is now reduced to its lowest terms.